So over here in Snagit, we can see that if I were to select any screenshot and bring in some annotation, we can select urban and basic theme, which are just a set of colors. So you can also make your own set of colors, that is your own theme, by going into the theme menu right here and by clicking on new theme right over here. So once you do that, you can go ahead and rename your theme name. So I'm just going to rename it to TutorTube right over here. And then you can choose the color. So my channel color is red. So I'm just going to select red out. You can add in other shapes over here. So just like this, you can click it again. And over here, you can select the other color for your channel. So this is going to be a dark color right here. And then another is going to be black right over here. And another is going to be white, just like this. So I got 4 colors related to my channel, as you can see. So I can simply hit on create. And now there's the TutorTube theme, as you can see right there. So I got basic theme right here, I got urban theme, and I got TutorTube theme with all of these things right here, as you can see. So we can go around here and edit this theme as well. So I can edit this, duplicate, export, or delete this theme as well. So let me just edit this theme out right here and then go around and then add in more shapes. Let's say, for example, more color, just like this. So if I want to add in a green, I can edit this out and then I can save it around just like this, press OK, and then it just overwrites, as you can see right there. And that is how you can work with themes and create new themes inside of Snagit editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.